Hi, this is Lena from ACNTRUCK Vehicle and Machinery Shanghai Company Limited. Now I'm in LONKING factory. Let's go inside to check. The machine catches our assets is LONKING crawler excavator CDM6225. And the color is orange color. We can customize the color and logos according to your needs. Operating weight is 22,800 kilograms. The bucket capacity is 1.1 cubic meters. It has 316 degrees slewing platform, very convenient and flexible to work in the complex working conditions. The track width is 600 millimeters. Now I will show you the engine. It adopts famous Cummins brand. It's 4-cylinder engine, strong power, fuel efficient for your works. The rated power is 124 kilowatts. Next, let's go the cabin. Quick button pilot joystick and rear camera. Large area of high-strength tempered glasses is used in the cab to improve the view of driver while ensuring the intensity of the cab. The top of the cab is equipped with lights to ensure accurate and safe work at night. Besides, optional parts are included: braking hammer and pipeline, refueling pump, sump, quick hitch, MP3, and working alarm, and so on. ACNTRUCK is a professional and reliable partner. We have 16 years of rich exporting experience. If you are interested in our products, you can contact me. We can provide you our best products and best after-sales service. See you next time.